This video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to run Go program on Visual Studio Code. So first here going to create one new directory for Go and let's write there Go programs. And after that the next is let's open this place command prompt, and if I write there Go press enter, then you can see this all those things. That means Go already installed. If I write there Go version, then you can see Go version 1.22.2 that already installed. So first you need to download and install the Go. After that, let's open this place Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is now opening, and the very first step is let's click on this file and here open folder. So selecting this place Go program, and after that here click on this plus and let's write there hello.go. Press enter, then automatically it's asking about here Go extension from or Go team at Google for Go. So you need to click on this install. This is the first option you can install, or if you want then you can go on this extension right there Go. So here when I press enter Go, then you can see here this also that's come there. So either you can install from this place or here search Go. If I click there, then you can see so here Go team add Go developer. So let's click on this install from here, and now you can see this place. So that's done here. After that, the next is let's print hello world using Go. So copying this code and paste there and Control S to save. Now you can see all tools successfully installed. You are ready to go. And here they've okay, let's click on this install. This message all tools successfully installed. You are ready to go. After that, let's click on this extension here, search code runner, and click on this, and here click on this install. So with the help of this, we can run here C, C++, Java, PHP and Go as well. So this done here. After that, right click on this project and here see run code option is there. So click into this. Here you can see hello world that's displaying. After that, let's here let's copy this and paste there. Control S to save. Right click, then click on this code runner. So here the sum of num1 and num2 35 it's displaying. So this is the most simplest way we can run Go programming inside VS Code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.